Welcome to Source UK, my name is Alan Peatfield. This is our test shop here at Heathfield. This is our Alligator HD 510 LRH semi-automatic mitering bandsaw. Just go through the salient points of the machine. Over that end of the machine you have a removable swarf tray and also a removable coolant tank. So cleaning the machine's easy. The guidance system is ball bearings here with carbide tips here to keep the blade exactly straight. Long life on these components. Same is repeated here. This guide arm of course can be adjusted right in to cut small pieces. The machine can miter easily to 60 degrees. 60 degrees this way, 60 degrees the other way. The vise can be slid across the machine of course. And of course you can feed the material in from either way, whatever's convenient for your particular factory layout. This is the motor, 3 kilowatts, driving a worm shaft gearbox. Very strong hydraulic cylinder here as you can see. Avoids a lot of bouncing on the machines which causes blade wear. The machine is mounted on a pivot here which is very wide. It adds to the stability of the bow. And as you can see, with the stiffness of this bow, there is absolutely no movement. You won't get the wobbling around effect you see on the very cheap machines that are on the market today. This end we have the mitering arrangement, which is a digital readout. And we can go 60 degrees both ways on this machine, as I showed you earlier. But there is an absolute dead stop here for 0, so it does make it easy for you to just come round to 0 when you're doing straight cuts. And also you need that reference point to recalibrate this should you need to. Down this end also is a scale which is for the finish. In other words, when the machine comes up after doing a cut, you set it so it's just above the job so you don't get wasted time. Down this end we have a micro switch which stops the machine should the blade break in the cut. The means of tensioning the blade, which is simple, just Blvd spring washers. As they collapse and go tight, you can't do it up anymore, it's as simple as that. And the control panel, as you can see, is here for convenience. You might be working from that side of the machine, want to use it here, or from this side of the machine, you can simply swing it around like this. This is a control panel, obviously an emergency stop switch here, on and off buttons. A switch here that controls the down feed in that if you want it to stop at the bottom of the cut, you have it 0. But if you want it to return up to the top of the cut, you can have it on 1. So it goes down, does a cut, pops back up again. The down feed rate, the blade descent rate, is controlled here. And the blade speed, velocity of the blade, is controlled here. Well, if you're cutting structural steels, you'll probably be running around 75 meters per minute. This is our new S42 structural blade. We have entirely different tooth geometry which adds strength. You'll see a still photograph of how that geometry works in a moment. The blade also has extra set on the teeth. That means that when you're cutting highly stressed materials like structural beams, you're less likely to pinch the blade in the cut, so it's ideal for this kind of work. I'll now demonstrate this blade on a piece of H-beam for you. Okay, let's cut.